Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Here on the left is 2004 Toyota RAV4. And one of the easy maintenances which everybody can perform on their own car is replacing or at least inspecting cabin air filter or AC filter or pollen filter, whatever you want to call it. So let's go together and see how this is done. Cabin air filter is located on passenger side, right? It's here in the cabin and it's behind the glove box. So that's where we are heading right now. And here you can see open glove box, but no access to the cabin air filter. That's because I have to squeeze in on both sides these areas. I hope you will be able to see it. Basically what I need to do is do this, right? And here you go. You should be able to see. I will have to maybe move the camera, but this is the housing for the cabin air filter. You actually can see it. Excellent. So let's continue. Right, camera is here. Now there are two tabs, one here and one here. These tabs I need to basically pull, kind of squeeze inside and pull towards to myself. 1, 2. Right, and here we go. Very carefully I'm removing cabin air filter. And this one is nasty. This one is so bad that it's worth to take it out, right, and look at it closely. It's an aftermarket. I already see it. This is not original Toyota. Also, if you look on the details, it's not installed correctly. Do you see how this side is sticking out and this one is nicely in? Somebody didn't do a good job at all. Let me show you how full of dirt it is. Do you see that, how it's coming out? Of course, I'm not trying to reuse it. I just want to show you how bad it is. Look, there are even holes through. So this is complete junk. I just really quickly vacuum it, right? And the reason for it, there are actually multiple. First of all, I want to show you how you install the new one back, right? So you see all these tabs here. This is the reason why it was not correctly installed, because it wasn't below those tabs. It's right now here, right? They're all around. So you have to pay attention. And these were not hooked. Right, do you remember one side was sticking out? Well, we will make sure they will be hooked this time. That's for sure. Also, this is just temporary, right? I will definitely tell the owner that they need to replace this. There's no question about that. And if you want to have it perfect, maybe, yeah, it's aftermarket and you have to go grab some tool, right? That it's correctly installed. It wasn't, but I'm just showing, if you wanna do the stuff perfect, you just have to pay attention to the detail, right? Look, now the filter is flush. One of the sides is not popping out and I'm ready to install it back in the vehicle. And obviously that just reverse what we did. I really hope you find this video helpful and please make sure you are subscribed. I have way more coming your way soon. Thanks for watching today and have a good one, my friend.